I am Damien from Pulling Money Trading. Welcome. Please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification for more videos. Alright? FX trading, how to calculate leverage. Trading rules. The aim is to consistently pull money out the market. No trading strategy is 100% effective. Don't risk more than 2% of your account balance on any one trade. Use at least 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio when taking a trade. Eliminate the fear of losing. Losing is a must in trading. Trade your system over and over, win or lose. Ensure that your trading system have at least a 50% win rate. Making money trading solely depends on the trader, not the trading system. It takes military style discipline to be a successful trader. How to calculate leverage. At the end of this session, you should be able to identify what is a leverage, outline what is a leverage, apply the principles of calculating a leverage. Leverage. How to calculate your leverage. What is a leverage? A leverage is a loan given by a broker in order to allow traders to trade more contract sizes than what their initial account balance can handle. Right? Types of leverage is 1 to 100, 1 to 500, 1 to 1000. So these are some of the common types of leverages offered by broker. Right? Some broker offer 1 to 50. Right? But these are some of the common ones. 1 to 100, 1 to 500, 1 to 1000. All this means is that if you have an account balance, right, of say $100, right, using a 1 to 100 leverage, right, you would multiply the $100 balance in your account multiply by 100, right? So the 100 times the 100, right, would equal to a total of 10,000, right? So that is how the leverage works. Formula for calculating your lot size, right? In the previous video about calculating lot size, right, we calculated a lot size, right, using without leverage with a $10,000 account balance, right, and we ended up with a lot size of 0.05 microlot, right? Now, formula for calculating your leverage. Leverage is equal account balance times the leverage. So account balance is equal 10,000. Using a leverage of 1 to 100 leverage, you multiply the 10,000 by the 100, which is equal to 1 million. Right? And using a 1 to 500 leverage, is 10,000 times 500, 5 million. Using a 1 to 1000 leverage, 10,000 times that, 10 million, right? So how leverage affect lot size? So remember the slide I showed you earlier on with the 0.05 microlot. This is how the leverage affect the lot size, right? So with an account balance of $10,000 using a 1 to 100 leverage, right, that will equal $1 million. 10,000 times 100, 1 million. 2% of the account balance of $1 million, because we are risking no more than 2% of our account balance, is equal 20,000, right? So 20,000, right? The price divided by the 100,000 pip risk would equal 200 standard lot, right? $200 standard lot, right? So lot size would be 200, right? So 0.05, which was the lot size without any leverage, right? So we are up to a standard lot of 200, right? Using a 1-to-100 leverage, right? Let me just recalculate something. Right, so using a 1-to-500 leverage, you have an account balance of 5 million. 2% of the 5 million is 100,000. So the 100,000 divided by the 100 risk, right, equal 1,000 standard lot. So with a 1-to-500 leverage with an account balance of $10,000, right? Without the leverage, you'll be using 0.05 microlot to a standard lot of 1,000 standard lot with a 1-to-500 leverage, right? And with a 1-to-100 leverage account balance of 10,000 multiplied by 1,000 give you 10 million, right? 2% of the 10 million is 200,000, right? And the 200,000 divided by the 100 pip risk equal 2,000 standard lot, right? 0.05 microlot without the leverage, right? And we are now up to a 2,000 standard lot, right? With a 1-to-1,000 leverage, right? So you'll be able to control 2,000, right? Each time the market move against you with a big lot size of this, right? You will be spending $2,000 per pip. If the market move against you, 1 pip is $2,000, and if the market go in your favor, 1 pip is $2,000. So the bigger your risk, the bigger the lot size is the bigger the risk, right? So using leverage with a 2% risk, right, is the best way to use leverage, right? Because you would be controlling the risk based on your account size. So this is the best way to utilize leverage, right? So any question, feel free to put it in the comment section, right? Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Right now, you don't need to really concern yourself with leverage as long as you're utilizing the 2% of your account balance, right? And you calculate your lot size using a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. You don't need to concern yourself with all this technicality. This is just for information purpose, right? And to understand how leverage works, right? So all you need to concern yourself with is never risk more than 2% of your account balance. Use a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and that will automatically control your leverage.